We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to unbox a Neverstop laser MFP 1202W. So first thing first, you want to get like a box cutter or knife or something. Make sure you don't cut yourself. And then go ahead and open your box up. Make sure to close your box cutter so you don't cut yourself. Okay, so you got your USB cord, your power cord, piece of the printer for your tray. You have your instruction manual, and then next is the printer. Printer's like half my size, so this is going to be your printer. You want to go ahead and remove all of the packaging material. Alright, so now that I have all that removed, I want to go ahead and just take off the tape. That way, before plugging it in, that way we can be ready. Go ahead and lift your scanner up. Make sure there's nothing in here like styrofoam. Alright, so once you get everything unboxed and unwrapped, you're left with this. And then you're left with this. This is part of your tray. So go ahead and put this piece in here. It just slides in. And then you just take this and literally just put it right here. Match that up. Click it in. You're good to go. This is going to be where your paper goes. So if you want to add paper to your tray, you just slide it out. And then adjust your lever to the size you need and just stick it in there. And just make sure that this is at the correct size for the paper. Then you would just put this back on and it just literally just slides on. So then this is what holds your ink. You want to go ahead and put it in here. So it seems it's kind of hard to pull up, but if you pull it up gently, it will pop open for you. And you open this part, take this bad boy and just stick it in there. Follow the guides. Alright, so once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Then you can go ahead and put everything back. You should be good to go after you plug the printer into either your computer or you could print wirelessly. So this is going to be your tray. Of course, you've got your scanner. And then right here is where you will fill your ink. So you would take your reload, move this to the side, stick it in, turn it about 180 degrees, and then you would fill your ink. This is going to be your indicator right here, and it'll let you know when you need ink. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.